First of all, you will need to create a MANUSpost developer account. Just follow the instructions sent to your email address after registration. After logging into MANUSpost Developer, you can download manuspost.exe from Downloads and Licenses menu on the left. You can complete the installation by following the download instructions. After downloading MANUSpost, you can create your CNC post processor. When you are done with your post processor, you need to save it. You can download the trial version of your post processor from the home page. You will need to move your post processor into the factory folder inside the MANUSpost folder. You will need to enter your license key to access MANUSpost. You can find it under Downloads and Licenses. To post your CAM output, run it inside MANUSpost.